In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Harmony One to your MetaMask wallet so you can send funds to your MetaMask account and make transactions. And as a bonus, towards the end of this video, I will show you how to earn some passive income using your crypto assets. So make sure to stick with me till the end. But for now, let's get scoping. Firstly, you'll need to open up your MetaMask extension on your computer. But if you haven't set up MetaMask yet, then you can go to metamask.io and click on download now and follow the steps to create your account. But if you need more help on this part, then I have a full MetaMask tutorial, which I'll link in a description for you. So check that out if you need some more help. But for now in this tutorial, I assume that you have MetaMask set up. So you can go to your extension, go over to this three dots here and click on expand view. This will take you to your MetaMask dashboard. The first important note that I want to tell you is that you don't need a secondary wallet in order to interact on the Harmony One blockchain. You can use this exact same wallet address interchangeably between all these different blockchains, including Binance, Matic, Phantom, etc. You just have to know that a coin that belongs in one chain will not show up and does not exist in another chain. You can see here on the Matic chain, I have 0.004 Matic, and on Phantom, I have 41.99 Phantom. But on Ethereum, I have no tokens at all. But in the end, if this gets too confusing for you and you would rather use a different wallet for each of the blockchains, you can do that as well by clicking here and then go to create an account, and you can have a new account set up in 2 seconds. And you can import an account if you have already previously created one. And one more critical thing that I need to mention while we're on the topic of crypto wallets is that I always recommend you to use a hardware wallet. And MetaMask supports Ledger and a Trezor wallet, and I have both of these and I would recommend both of them. But if you don't have one yet and you're looking to get one, then I have a full in-depth review and tutorial on both of these hardware wallets. So to help you out, I'll leave links to these videos and the actual products in the description below. Now let's get on to actually connecting MetaMask to Harmony One blockchain. And I'm going to guide you through this with 2 different methods. So method 1, you click here and go to custom RPC. You can see here there's 5 blank boxes that you must fill out. And so from this article here, which is on Harmony One's official website, this is the information that you'll need to paste in. So I'll scroll up and copy and paste each one of these one by one. And I'll leave a copy of this text in the description for you as well, if you just want to quickly copy it from there. And a quick note is that for the RPC, we need to select this one, and for the shard, we need to select the 0 one. So this is what you should have pasted in, and now click on save. And now we can go back to our dashboard, and you can see our main token is now the 1 token, and our Harmony One mainnet has been connected successfully. So now let me show you the second method, which I think is a lot easier to do, but I'll leave that choice up to you. So now I will delete this original RPC that I created, and you will have to go to a website called chainlist.org. And this is an aggregation website of all the different information for all the blockchains available right now. So from the search networks box, we will type in Harmony, and we want to choose this one, as this is the chain ID of shard 0, which is what we want. So you click on connect wallet, and now click add to MetaMask. A window will pop up and will get you to confirm this information. So you can see that this is exactly the same as on Harmony One's website. So now we click on approve and click switch network. And now if we go back to our MetaMask, you can see the Harmony mainnet shard 0 is here for you. So from what I just showed you, you can definitely see that method 2 is much easier and quicker, and there's less chance of making a mistake by copying and pasting all these different values. There's one more important thing that I want to show you, and that's how to earn some passive income with the crypto assets that you own. And one of the main decentralized exchange on this blockchain right now is ViperSwap. So from this exchange, you can go to the staking section, and here you'll be able to see all the different pairs of tokens that you can deposit and stake on this platform to make passive income. So there's some crazy gains that you can make, but it comes with a lot of risks also. So it depends on what you want to do. But from my experience, if you have coins that you believe will go up together or go down together, then it's a pretty good idea to deposit them here and earn a lot of yield. So you can see here, this is almost 5,000% gains per year. So that's pretty much 50x. So if you deposit $1 worth of these tokens, then you have $50 12 months later. But this is not financial advice. You need to do your own research here. But I just wanted to get your feet wet and give you an introduction in this video. If you're looking for more variety and want to stake your other assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins as well, then it is a good idea to take advantage of these platforms, which I'm about to show you here. Plus, you can get a free sign up bonus worth $375. So I think it's a no-brainer here. You simply just have to go to the links in the description below, sign up for these platforms and start staking your crypto to earn your standard APY and the free bonus. You can see here through my links, BlockFi will give you a $250 bonus when you stake your crypto with them, and Celsius Network is going to be a $50 bonus. Crypto.com is also not bad at $25. Same thing with Leden at $25, and lastly, Voyager is going to be $25 as well. My favorites, which I use for the long term, are BlockFi, Celsius Network, and Crypto.com, but Leden and Voyager are still worthwhile signing up and getting their bonus. However, if you want more information and more ways to earn passive income with your cryptocurrencies, then I strongly recommend you check out this next video here. But if you still need more help on MetaMask, like connecting it to other dApps or sending your funds to other blockchain network, then I have a full MetaMask playlist here which you can check out. And I'll see you over in the next tutorial.